judge in Texas declared the Obama-era policy protecting undocumented immigrants as illegal. The big question now, what does it mean for the policy known as DACA?
Yeah, so joining us with more insight on this latest development is Murad Awawdeh. He is executive director of the New York Immigration Coalition. So welcome to you, and thanks for being with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so a large percentage of DACA recipients are right here in New York, and I'm sure all of them are wondering, what does this really mean for them?
Yeah, we have over 800,000 DACA recipients across this country and over 35,000 DACA recipients in the New York City area. What Judge Hannon's decision means is that he's striking down the DACA program. But we do believe the case is going to get appealed and it'll continue going through the judicial system. For those who currently have DACA, nothing changes. They can continue to renew their DACA status and continue to move forward in life. This is just really kind of another gut punch in a moment where we need Congress and President Biden to really step up and finally deliver a solution with immigration reform that gives people a pathway to legalization so that we're not constantly stuck in this back and forth of the court system that is, tearing up temporary statuses.
Yeah, I mean, there have been folks who've been looking to tear down DACA from the moment that it became law, right? But let's talk about this because it's such a pivotal moment when you look at what's happening here in New York City with the current migrant crisis and asylum seekers. So does this apply to all immigrants, including ones who are currently seeking asylum?
So this is the Deferred Action Childhood Arrival Program was it was implemented under the Obama administration for children who were brought here, as kids and were here before the age of 16, and there were a couple of other requirements. This program has been on hold, so there is no new applicants since it's been in court. And this is the second time that this specific judge, Judge Hannon, out of the Southern District of Texas, District Court of Texas, has struck down DACA. So this program has been paused for some time now, but this program you had to have been in the country back in the early 2010 time frame. I don't remember the date, but you have been here, and there's no current new applicants that have been accepted for a couple of years now. But the folks who currently have DACA and have had DACA will have no problem in renewing for the time being as this case continues to go through the court.
Okay, so I'm curious to know how you feel about this. So I mean, the decision has been ruled illegal in certain states, and it's yet to be seen if other states will follow suit. But do you feel like this should be a decision made in the courts, or do you feel it's more a decision made in Congress?
So DACA is a temporary protection program, and it really is unfortunate that we continue to find ourselves in Texas with this judge who wants to tear it up. And really, this is a program that has provided people with, immigration relief, the deferred action, so they don't have to constantly be living with a sense of fear, and giving them the opportunity to build their lives here. Over 80% of DACA recipients have continued to be in a strong workforce. Over 60% are college educated and continue to contribute back to our communities. This is really a moment where we have to have a conversation as a country, and our congressional representatives and leaders need to actually build their political courage to deliver, because it's been over 30 years at this point that we've not had any comprehensive immigration reform. And because of that, we have continued to have more folks in the shadows as opposed to letting people come into, coming out of the shadows and living their fullest life, with a pathway to legalization.
All right, we're going to leave it there. Keep us posted on any developments. We'll be following this very closely. But Murad, thank you for your expertise this morning and laying it all out for us.
Thank you.